Hello everybody, it's your old pal Brian. What you see on the left of the helicopter is the former board, and I have the new board installed, and as soon as I plugged it in, the battery light lit up. So let's see if I have to adjust the blades or anything with a flight control board. So you'll watch the maiden with me. If I do, then I got to go get the other. This thing didn't come with a transmitter.
Binding.
So I got to go find another transmitter and then go remember how to adjust these things. Hoop.
Throttle active.
So apparently I have to adjust it.
Throttle hold.
Yeah, it's forward collective.
Throttle active.
So I am going to go learn from YouTube how to readjust these things. And we'll come back. See you. Okay. A certain helicopter has been recalibrated via the interwebs. And I'm all happy about that. A little breezy to be flying the little bugger, so let's see how this goes. Yeah, I recalibrated it in the house.
Welcome to HTX. Switch warning. Flight mode 3.
I tell you what, you gotta love the interwebs. Just, I mean, within just seconds. Now, I've done this before.
Throttle hold.
But I've since forgot. What are we doing? Oh. But yeah, replace the board.
Binding.
Recalibrate it, and it seems to be hovering just fine. So
Throttle active.
there we go. I say it is. A little breezy out here. Yeah. That was a $10 solution. So AMRC, if you care, I bought a new board for my bigger ERA RC Bell 206 because I stalled the blades next to me and let out the magic smoke right away. So yeah, for about $10, you can take a static model and make it unstatic. And how you do it is to just go on, make sure you're ordering the right board, obviously, and then you can correct the problem, and you can go on. Ooh, too breezy, too breezy.
Throttle hold.
There we go. I love throttle hold. Now they don't have that easily accessible on the stock radio, but I had to use the stock radio to do the magic. Okay, cool. I see I have an audience. Certain puppers. What's my dad doing? Yeah, you just use a screwdriver and pull all the screws out, and next thing you know, 7.5 minutes later, you have a fixed model. Now this is January 4th. These plants think it's spring. In Florida, we only really have about a 60-day, air quotes, winter. All right, thanks for hanging out with me.